According to the 2024 Steam hardware survey, 1080p is still by far the most popular resolution for gaming. As high refresh rate 1080p monitors are cheaper than ever, it's easy to see why that's the case. For competitive gaming, 1080p is a viable option as it's easy to pump out high refresh rates. Any decent mid-range graphics card will work fine in this case. However, most games tend to be more CPU-bound at 1080p. This means that performance at 1080p is more limited by the CPU, as the GPU doesn't have to work as hard at this lower resolution. So, we definitely need a capable budget or mid-range chip that can help us reach those high refresh rates. The best option for me to enable that experience is the Ryzen 7 5700X3D. It's an 8-core, 16-thread CPU that reaches a boost clock of 4.1 GHz. It's built on the Zen 3 architecture, meaning it's cut from the same cloth as the iconic 5800X3D. In fact, the 5700X3D is nearly identical to the 5800X3D, with the higher 4.5 GHz clock on the latter being the main difference. Apart from that, they both have 96 megabytes of L3 cache and a TDP of 105 watts. Performance-wise, it delivers 90 to 95% performance of the 5800X3D. Considering that the 5700X3D is $60 to $80 cheaper, the newer chip is the better value. Thanks to the 3D V-cache, performance is excellent, and it's an AM4 CPU, so you don't need to worry about expensive DDR5 memory or X670 or X870 motherboards. Most B550 boards will be fine. For the graphics card, there are two main choices, either the NVIDIA RTX 4060 or the AMD Radeon RX 7700 XT. While the AMD card has more VRAM, the NVIDIA card has better features, better ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and a lower power draw. This is why, most of the time, I'll generally recommend the RTX 4060 over other budget GPUs. It has 8GB of GDDR6 VRAM, 3072 CUDA cores, and a max boost clock of 2.46 GHz. All this translates to an excellent gaming experience at 1080p. It can handle even the most demanding of modern titles at medium to high settings, with some help from DLSS 3.5. Speaking of which, NVIDIA's upscaling technique is impressive enough that it's hard to tell the difference these days. It's sort of like a free performance boost. Paired with the Ryzen 7 5700X3D, you're looking at a smooth 60 to 70 FPS experience in Cyberpunk 2077 at ultra settings. In Fortnite, you'll easily get 144 FPS at epic settings, allowing you to put your high refresh rate monitor to good use. This combo even handles more demanding games, such as Alan Wake 2, at a steady 60 FPS. Overall, this is an excellent 1080p gaming combo that works well whether you're a competitive gamer or someone who enjoys single-player games. You'll also save quite a bit of money on the power supply and CPU cooler, as both parts are highly efficient. It's a great place to get started for a budget or mid-range build with performance in mind. Thanks for watching. Let me know what's the best CPU and GPU combo for you. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated. It really helps. See you next time.